ask you a question. Do you ever run into those times when you've got a roller coaster ride for car count? Like it's either feast or famine and you're struggling trying to figure out what to do? On this video, I answer that question to a subscriber. All you have to do right now is buckle up because we're going to get started. Hey, I'm Matthew, the Car Count Fixer. Thank you so much for taking a minute out of your day to watch this video. If you're a repair shop owner and you want to grow your car count, income, and profits, go ahead and smash that subscriber button, ring the bell icon, and you'll be on your way. So I asked at the beginning of this video if you ever suffer that roller coaster ride of feast or famine, and some days it's just like the phone won't ring and you can't keep the text busy, you can't keep the bays filled, and like, what do you do? Well, I had a subscriber drop a question and ask the Car Count Fixer, and at any time, links down below, ask the Car Count Fixer, and I will answer any question that you've got. But let me share my screen with you here, and I'll show you what Randy asked. Randy asked the Car Count Fixer question: how do I get customers who overspent during the holidays to schedule an appointment? Randy, great question, and thank you so much for taking the time to ask that. So here's what I've told Randy, and I want to share this with you. Look, the number one rule if you're selling anything, and let's face it, you sell auto service or auto repairs. The number one rule is you've got to sell what people want or need to people who have the money to pay for it. So in this particular question, I'm thinking that it's more of a seasonal thing. Like I just, went a little too deep on the credit cards, and I'm a bit afraid of booking an appointment. In the case of being in that roller coaster ride position, here's what I strongly suggest you do. Number one, go ahead and download this cheat sheet of how to create a kick butt offer. Now, I'm going to talk a little bit more about this in a minute, but it's a simple one-page fill-in-the-blank cheat sheet that lets you develop kick butt offers that actually generate sales. Now, as a side note, I just released this video talking to Tino at Carter Fleet Services, where in our conversation, he told me that he followed the exact formula in my cheat sheet and created an offer. He admitted it took him 70 minutes to sort of put it together, and it generated $1,800 in revenues. Not bad. But back to the roller coaster ride. Well, you create that offer and give it a headline. Look, I see this all the time. Auto repair shops are just as guilty as most other small businesses. The headline is not your name or logo. It's not about you, it's about your customer. So what's a good headline? What about something like save $95 or, and don't start rolling your eyes. If you see my cheat sheet, you would know exactly what I'm talking about. What about a headline? Something like, shh, this is for customers only. Look, we could go on with headline after headline, but develop your offer and give it a hot headline. Next, send out a simple postcard. I've done videos on this, on all the simple things you need to do, but I'm talking about a simple 4x6 postcard that with printing, addressing, and mail, they get out the door for like 50 cents. That's, assuming current USPS postage rates, but send your customers a postcard. So now that you've got your offer generated, what do? You go pick your low-hanging fruit. Your low-hanging fruit is customers that you haven't seen from 90 to 180 days. Those are the people that are most likely to respond. Or a better way to do this would be to distribute the offer by text. Because let's understand this. Digital coupons have a redemption rate 10 times better than any other coupon. So right now I'm going to share my phone with you and show you exactly what I mean. Here's a simple idea. If you sent a text that said, hey, it's Jack at AAA Auto. You like to save money, don't you? Then I've got something for you. Click here and let me know. Now the little image shows up from the page, and visitor just clicks that link, and here we are. That link starts out with Save Money Now. Now, in 100% transparency here, I took Tino's offer that he used and I did it in a coupon. So how encouraging is this? Save $92 on a conventional oil change, including 5 quarts of oil, filter, chassis lube where applicable, and tire rotation, now only $59. I've added a couple of twists to the way Tino presented this offer. I said you have to book in the next 3 days. So when your customers here, they just simply scroll down, complete their name, email, vehicle, and they redeem this coupon right here by clicking Save $92 on an oil change, leave you any other comments they have, tell you that they want to be confirmed by either phone, text, or email, and just press the button to book my appointment. And it's really just that easy. So watching this video, you're asking yourself, what should I do now? Well, here it is. Number 1, go ahead and download this cheat sheet, how to create kick butt offers that actually sell. That's a simple 1-page cheat sheet. Fill in the blanks. Just follow the guidelines like Tino did and other car count hackers and create your own kick butt offers. Number 2, if you want to get deeper into this, in the links below, double your car count in 89 days without wasting any of your hard-earned dollars on that money-sucking advertising. That's a totally free course. Over 2 hours and 20 minutes worth of video, all broken up into 16 bite-sized chunks, delivered over 4 chapters. It's all meat and no filler. Better yet, go in the description below and start texting your customers free. I'm serious. No tricks, no gimmicks, no kidding. Go ahead in the links down below and start texting on the GoMo two-way text messaging system. It is the world's only auto repair shop marketing system that gets attention. I guarantee it. And it's 100% totally free. The only catch is you got to spend 10 minutes and watch a short video that walks you through everything. That's it. Go ahead and do that right now. If you're still hanging around on this video, watch this video here about marketing your repair shop in 2020 and beyond. Or this video here, 19 words that virtually guarantee car count. I'm Matthew, the Car Count Fixer. I can't wait to see you on the next video. Take care and talk soon.